Hi, I'm Rebecca from Maison Botanica, and today's video is all about how to infuse color and fun into any room of the house. This is my purple room. It's technically a sitting room or a living room. It's kind of an extra room in the house, so I had a little bit of fun playing with color and interesting accents. So I'm going to walk you through my thought process for how this even came about and how you can infuse a little bit of fun and character into your home as well.
So when I moved in, I wasn't really sure what to do with this room. It was the first room of the house. It had really tall ceilings and a really big wall that guests would see right upon entering the house. And I had originally put this French mirror there that I love, but the French mirror just seemed really small compared to the vastness and the ceiling height of this room. So I decided, why don't I put in a gallery wall? So then I started planning for the gallery wall. I started collecting pieces that I already had, paintings, frames, and photos, and I created this neon sign just to put into the wall as well, and thus started the planning process. I actually started a draft on my computer so that I could plan what it could look like, but nothing compares to planning it in real life. So I started plotting out the gallery wall on the floor just so I can visualize exactly where everything was going to go. Then you start translating what's on the floor onto the wall by putting up painter's tape and measuring again. Here's what the gallery wall looked like after it was done. I quite liked the placement and the balance of everything, but the room just seemed like it was missing something. So then I decided it needed a coat of paint. It all started with the purple couch. I found it on Facebook Marketplace and I really liked it. So then I got a rug to match it, and then I found the mauve accent chair on Facebook Marketplace as well for a steal. I decided to go with tone on tone, to go purple in the paint as well, so that the paint doesn't fight with the purple and the mauve tones but complements it. I had already come so far with the purple couch, so I decided let's go loud on the rug and let's go purple as well on the wallpaper. Why not? When choosing the exact tone, I like to put up the paint swatches on the wall for a few weeks. Honestly, I like to look at it over and over again in the morning, in the evening, just to see how it really looks. After I chose the right tone, I was off to the races. I started prepping the room for paint. When decorating, pick out things that have a story, that are from your travels or from significant events. Maybe it's a vintage piece that you just absolutely loved. These are the things that will make a room interesting and fun. This feather lamp I picked up off AliExpress of all places, and this neon sign was something I had custom made that was just for us. It represents me and my husband, who he loves to stay home and I love to go out, and I thought it'd be the perfect neon sign for the gallery wall. This throw pillow I designed and printed myself, so it's a unique, one-of-a-kind piece, and so are some of the paintings. Like this acrylic painting I did myself, and a bunch of the other ones as well on the wall. So here's the purple room, done and finished. It's got so much fun and character. I am so in love with it.
folks, the making of the purple room. Honestly, when anyone walks in this house, this is the favorite room of the tour. They love taking pictures here just because it's such a fun atmosphere. The neon sign definitely helps, but adding character to your home is as easy as a coat of paint. So hopefully this has inspired you. In case you did something as well fun in your house and you started a project, maybe comment, send me a note. I'd love to see it, and definitely subscribe and check out some of my other videos too. Take care.